Hello, good morning children. Hope all of you are keeping fine. Today I am going to start new lesson in PT2 portion. That is lesson 6, Greenland, the island in the Arctic zone. So first I am going to explain the location of polar region. Location of polar region. So, do you know children where is polar region? The region between Arctic Circle and the North Pole and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. That is called polar region or Arctic region. Another name is Arctic region. Arctic region. So where is it located? The region between Arctic Circle and the North Pole and Antarctic Circle and South Pole. That is called a polar region or Arctic region, and it lies in the frigid zone, and it is also called the tundra region. Now next one, the location of Greenland. Location of Greenland. Do you know where is Greenland located? Greenland lies to the northeast of North America. It is located between Arctic Circle and the North Pole. And Greenland is a part of Denmark. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. So where is Greenland located? Greenland located between Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and it lies to the northeast of North America. And the capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Two countries nearest to Greenland are Iceland and Canada. These two countries are nearest to Greenland. And Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is the largest island in the world. Now, next one, you are going to learn about the climate of Greenland. As you know that it lies in the frigid zone. Naturally, the climate is cold. It is extremely cold throughout the year. Summers are short and cool. The days are bright and sunny. And the winters are severely cold. There is no sun or sunlight for many months. Days are dark with continuous snow and chilly winds blow all the time. Once more I am repeating. So, what is the climate of Greenland? The climate of Greenland extremely cold. Means throughout the year there is severe cold. And the summers are short and cool. And the days are bright and sunny. And the winters are severely cold. There is no sun or sunlight for many months. And days are dark with continuous snow and chilly winds blow all the time. Now next, two important features of Greenland. Two important features of Greenland are, one is the midnight sun and the another one is the northern lights. Midnight sun. Midnight sun, and another one is northern lights. Midnight sun, it is a magnificent phenomenon in Greenland. That means continuous sunlight for weeks together. That another thing is northern lights, means a display of glowing green, red and purple lights dancing in the dark night sky. That is one of the most amazing masterpieces of nature. Means different colors, lights dancing in the dark night sky. That is one of the most amazing masterpieces of nature. Now, next I am going to explain about the iceberg. What is iceberg? In summer, when the snow melts, huge pieces of ice break off from the glacier and slide down into the sea. And these blocks of ice, they are called iceberg. So what is called iceberg? Means when the snow melt in summer, huge blocks of ice that break off from the glacier and they slide down into the sea. And these blocks of ice are called iceberg. And it is a damage to the ships because of fog, when the ships move, it will not be seen properly. And only 90% of the iceberg are inside the sea and only 10% are visible outside. So it is a great damage for the ships. When it moves, it will hit the iceberg. Now next one about the vegetation of Greenland. Next is vegetation. Means which kinds of plants you can see in Greenland. When the ice melts, small plants like mosses, lichen, grasses and bushes grow on the rocks and they provide fodder for animals. Means animals, they eat these small plants. And some flowers also bloom for very short time, like currants, cranberries and blueberries also grow in the coastal areas. Means hardly any trees are found in Greenland. So what is the vegetation of Greenland? Means when the ice melts, only small plants like mosses, lichen, grasses and bushes grow on the rocks, and these small plants, they provide food for the animals. And some flowers also bloom for very short time. And these flowers means currants, cranberries and blueberries also grow in the coastal areas. And hardly any trees are found. So they have to export wood from other countries. Now next one is about the wildlife of Greenland. Wildlife. The animals like reindeer, polar bear, mink, muskox, Arctic fox, seal, walrus and huskies are found in Greenland. So these are the animals found in Greenland. The reindeer, then polar bear, then seal, walrus, and huskies. These are the animals found in Greenland. And huskies are mainly used in hunting and pulling sledges. Means huskies are domestic animals and they are used for hunting and pulling the sledges. And the thick fur of animals, they protect them from the harsh winters. So huskies are the domestic animals and they are mainly used for hunting and pulling sledges. And the thick fur of all these animals, they protect them from the harsh winters. So children, I have explained about the location of Arctic region, location of Greenland, then vegetation, climate and wildlife of Greenland. So this much is only for this class, and I am providing you some notes also with this. You will write in SST copy and learn also. Thank you children for listening.